Today, we're diving into a practical combo for any avid gardener or yard enthusiast. The Lowe's 30-gallon paper lawn leaf trash bags paired with a Lava heavy-duty gardening hand soap. Let's start with the bags. Made from strong 2-ply paper, they're designed for durability and tear resistance, measuring a spacious 35 inches by 16 inches by 12 inches. Ideal for leaves, grass clippings, weeds, and all sorts of yard waste. These bags stand tall on their own and are not only recyclable, but also biodegradable, making them eco-friendly. Now, onto the Lava heavy-duty gardening hand soap. This soap has been a staple since 1893, and for good reason. It's tough on dirt, perfect for scrubbing away the toughest grime after a day of gardening or yard work. What sets it apart is its moisturizing formula, which ensures your hands stay soft even after heavy use. It's gentle on the skin, yet powerful on grease and grime, making it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. In addition to these products, you'll also receive a lawn repair tip sheet, offering valuable insights into maintaining and repairing your lawn throughout the seasons. Whether you're cleaning up after a day in the garden or preparing your lawn for the next season, this bundle has you covered from start to finish. If you're looking for reliable tools to keep your yard pristine and your hands clean, look no further than the Lowe's 30-gallon paper lawn leaf trash bags and Lava heavy-duty gardening hand soap combo. Perfect for any outdoor task, these products are a gardener's best friend.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.